Okay, you guys, so mine, these right here, I just, left them there. So I'm going to be making chili relleno balls. Or you can make just regular chili rellenos, but I think it's easier. And sorry if I sound stuffed up, is because I'm sick. So I want to tell you guys the ingredients, what you need for them. You're going to need about 1 to 2 cups of flour. I just have mine in the bowl right there. You're going to need cheese. It doesn't matter what cheese you use. Freddie likes the cheddar cheese, but usually we use like the Munster cheese, but honestly it does not matter, whatever cheese you like. And then you're going to need, I think these are called Anaheim peppers, but if I'm wrong, just tell me and let me know, because I just thought these were called green chilies, but I guess they're called Anaheims, I don't know. So, or you could also use poblanos, but we like these better. And you're gonna have to, if you make regular chili rellenos, find them, the ones that are big, that way once you cook them, you could just put the cheese in there, slide the cheese in there. They're pretty big. So there's those. And you're also gonna need eggs. So how many eggs you need depends on how much you're making. I was gonna use about 5, but I was gonna use about 5, but I have 3 right here. So these are all the ingredients, and plus you're gonna need cooking oil. I don't know if I say that because I don't know. So yeah, I think you could. Since I'm making the balls, they're a little bit easier. I think the only reason why I think they're easier is because if you have these, obviously you can just make regular chili rellenos, but if you don't, say you have like some green chili in the freezer and you need to use it because, like, how they get roasted, you put them in the freezer and they're not gonna hold the shape up as much as these ones do, like fresh. So the balls, like if you have extra green chili or something, you can just dice it up and follow this recipe. You can use this recipe also for oh man, my throat's over here acting up. To make the regular ones, I'll probably show you guys how to make the regular ones, like a different video, but it's actually easy too, so just stay tuned. So I don't know if I mentioned, but just to let you guys know, the video is gonna be sucky because I don't have my tripod for my phone. So yeah, so I have my comal set to high right now. So, and I already rinsed my chilies off. So all I'm gonna do is set the chilies on. Actually, I'll put this. Set it on here, and it just depends like how your comal is, because some comals cook different. These are gonna sit here. These chilies are going to be on here on medium, or no, I'm sorry, on high, and they're going to cook. You just want them to cook until they're black all the way around. I'll show you guys what they look like after they're cooked. That way you guys know and you guys have an idea, because I don't want, to be like, just cook them till they're black and then turn off. But yeah, so they're going to start roasting. You can already see it's already starting to burn. But they're going to start roasting and your freaking house is going to smell bomb. And yep, I'll show you guys whenever they're already dark or black, like all crusted, Okay, so these are finished. I don't, honestly, like, I suck at the time. Just make sure they just look like this, because I forgot how long I cooked them for. So they are going to start turning nice and little, some flimsy chilies, and they're going to be dark on all sides. So once they are cooked like this, you're just going to put them in a Walmart sack. Make sure the Walmart sack doesn't have holes, because they need to steam. This one, they kind of broke, but it's okay. This one still needs a little bit of time on it, as you can see. So, that one for a little bit. This one is done right here. So just put that in the bag too. Sorry guys, I have to use this hand because actually never mind. Okay, anyway. So this one broke too. So just put them in the bag. Look at my little end right there. Okay, so this one, I'm just going to give a little bit more time just to cook. Where's it at? Right here. Right here on this side. That way it can get nice and soft a little bit. So, in this bag, but you have to make sure there's no holes. Because if there's holes, all the steam's going to come out. And you just want them to cool down a little bit and get soft. Because this skin's starting to peel off. But, you know, when you peel off, it's easy. So, leave it in the bag for like 10 minutes. I'm going to put this one in there once it's finished cooking on that little piece of it. There's that piece too, but I'm pretty sure. So, it's almost done. Okay, guys. So, while my chili is in the bag and it's, I forgot how you say it. But while it's like, you know, doing whatever it needs to do, I'm going to go ahead and shred this cheese. So, like I said, you know, it doesn't matter what cheese, whatever you like. But this is a 10 ounce thing, 10 ounce block of cheese. And I'm just going to grate it. It doesn't matter what grade you use, like what size or whatever. And I'm doing it on this paper plate because ain't nobody trying to wash dishes. So, I'm just going to go ahead and grate the cheese and I'll be right back. Okay, so I ended up shredding all of the whole block of cheese. So, the whole block was 10 ounces. I'm going to show you. Now, I have both these bowls here. I'm just going to separate, what the hold on, let me think about what I was going to say. Mind that, because it's flour. Anyway. So, I'm just going to separate the egg yolk and the egg white. I'm going to put the egg yolk in here and the egg whites in here. And then I'll show you what's next. I used 5 eggs. So I separated the egg whites in here. The egg yolks right here. So in the egg whites, I just added salt. It depends on everybody because you add how much salt you like. So I'm gonna go ahead and how do you say? Not blend. Hold on, let me freaking remember because I forgot. I don't know, the mixer. I'm just using the mixer, okay? That's okay, whatever. Because I'm stupid and I'm over here. I don't even know what the hell I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna whip these until they form stiff peaks. I'm gonna show you guys how they look. That way you know, because you know they got to be stiff. So here we go. Okay guys, so you need to fluff the egg whites until they form stiff peaks. So what I mean is, girl, if it looks like whipped cream, it's fine. So let me show you. So after you fluff them, it's gonna look like whipped cream. So whenever it's stiff peaks, just dip her and see if, like, let me show you, if they are, like, they don't flop down, you know what I mean? They stick up like that. Those, girl, this is the right consistency. Let me wipe this off. All the egg yolks in there and then blend it some more. And off of the green chili, and then I went ahead and de-seeded them. There's still seeds in there, but it's fine. I just took the stem out on the seeds and I diced it up, and now I'm going to mix the cheese and the green chili. Yeah, just mix it up. Okay, so I ended up frying these ones right here, and the stove, it's like something started happening with it. So it's like not reading the temperature right or something. So this one's like cooked like a little bit too long, but you know, they're still fine. So I have my pan right here still. You could also use a, what is it called? An ice cream scooper to you know, scoop your shit right here. Scoop your balls. Forgot. Here's this. I'm gonna dump it. Perfect little cute ball. And so it depends on how much you guys want to make, how much this will make. Just depends on the size of your balls and everything. So go ahead and dump that into your mixture. That's really hard with one hand, but go ahead and dump it in your mixture. Cover it. Sorry, I'm not even. Girl, where's my ball? Guys, I think I lost my ball. Oh no, it's right here. Okay. So, there's your, never mind. I'm so dumb. So, go ahead and dump it. Okay guys, so, I want to show you guys, this is how they're supposed to look. You know, nice and fluffy. But literally, since I didn't make the egg right, that's why, like, it turned out like, these turned out, well, they didn't turn out like shit because they're still going to eat them, but they didn't turn out cute and fluffy like this. So you see the difference? And plus the heat was really freaking messed up. So, and like, just because they turn out fucked up doesn't mean that, you know, they're bad or something. So, they're gonna, you want them to look nice and fluffy. You don't want them to look like these suckers. But, anyways, obviously, like, if you guys are making these, you, even, like, I'm just saying, professional freaking cooks still, you know, mess up. Like, it ain't nothing big, just keep trying. Like, I still mess up. I'm not over here saying that I'm, like, I'm perfect fucking chef or anything, but, you know, just mess around with it, and then you'll learn from there. But, because everybody makes mistakes, guys. Like, I'm just saying, because those, I'm just telling you guys, because those other ones came out really fucked up, but everybody, like, makes mistakes, guys. Like, it ain't nothing big, just freaking learn from them, you know, do what you can. So that's why I'm just telling you guys, because they're probably gonna be like, this girl's over here trying to cook, she doesn't even know what the fuck she's doing. But I do. It's just, you know, we had some technical difficulties with our fucking pans and our, you know, because I'm a dumbass and I was tired and making the video. So, yes, just wanted to say that way, you know, if anybody has something to say. Here's my freaking chile relleno balls. They're not balls, but you know, they're flying saucers. Just, they're cute. So, you know, I want to tell you guys that I know that my freaking video sucks booty, but, you know, we're not millionaires over here. We can't afford nice lights and cameras and stuff. So, you know, I'm trying to do with what I have, because, you know, everybody starts from the bottom. Whatever. I don't know. I'll talk about that in another video. And, guys, they're really oily. But, you know, it's always better if the oil drips down your face. So, you know, oil is good, at least for us, because, you know, I'm a fat ass. So, anyways, let me cut them open for you guys. That was just a little crispy piece, you know, I just put that off to the side to eat it later. So, look how freaking bomb. Guys, ooh, they stay hot. I'm not even playing. Like, the steam, I don't know if you guys can see, probably not, but there's steam coming out from, look how bomb, like, look at that. The inside is nice and cheesy.